Hello, amazing forex traders, and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick breakdown on what to expect on EURUSD. So this is a weekly time frame, guys, and you can see my key levels are properly plotted. If you want to learn how to plot your key levels like this, there's a link in the description box. You can follow through, and you learn everything you need to know about it. But this is a weekly time frame, and as you can see here, from what you can see on the chart, you can see that there was a consolidation which has been happening around since August 2023, which we broke out above here. We broke out here in March 2025. So we broke out this consolidation, we retested it and continued to push to the upside, which is a good demonstration of what we call trend trading. When we go, we make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is supposed to be a higher low, then push to the upside. But let's go to the daily time frame and see what's going on in the daily time frame. So now this is a daily time frame, guys. Let me take this away. Yes, guys, so this is the daily time frame. As you can see here, as you can see, this is a clear uptrend. I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know. This is a clear uptrend. As you can see here, the market has been in a clear uptrend. Let's pick, I can pick it from here. Actually, the trend started from here, so we can see the market start going in the uptrend all about here. And ever since, we could see we broke out of this, we broke out of this trend line. As you can see here, we broke out of this trend line right about here. Here we came back to retest. It wasn't really a retest though, so I would not really count it as a retest. But as you can see here, we failed to break above this level, which is here, and now we are back trading below it, which means that this can actually indicate to us that the market is actually about to change in direction, like meaning that maybe we are already done with this uptrend and it's time to start looking for selling opportunities to the downside. Now I'm going to break down why I feel like we need to start looking for selling opportunity to the downside, because one, we can see here, this is a clear chart pattern here, like a double top here on a major level here. This is looking like a double top. The neckline, break in the neckline, looking like a retest and continuation to the downside. Now I'm going to bring out, for further confirmation, I'm going to bring out my Fibonacci level to check properly so we can understand what the market is doing. So I'll bring out my Fibonacci level, which starts from swing high to swing low. And you can see here, guys, we came up to this market here. We came up to this market here. After we were watching this market very closely, we broke out. I dropped my Fibonacci level. We came back and we're adjusting this Fibonacci level. As you can see here, this is a clear chart pattern, which indicates to us that we are going to be heading to the downside. As you can see, double top, not necessarily double top, but we failed to break above the double top. We can see breakout and retest in the Fibonacci level. Then this is a chart pattern that we know that this is potentially going to be a push to the downside. Now that is confirmation one and confirmation two that this might actually, that EUR might be heading to the downside. Let me take this off of my charts. And as you can see, guys, this is first touch. So immediately I saw this sell movement, I drew my counter trend line. I drew my counter trend line. I put it right here. I put it here, and I left it there. I just left it there. I put an alert too. So alert me whenever the market gets there, so I will know, okay, it's time to start looking at this market more seriously. But yes, I put my counter trend line there, and as you can see, the market has come nicely to respect my counter trend line. Now my counter trend line is in confluence with this previous support level that was broken and retested back to a resistance 2, and also a Fibonacci retracement level. Now these three confirmations are all aligning together, which would let us know that, okay, this market might be actually going in a bearish direction and we can start looking for selling opportunities. But now this is not still enough for us to jump into the market. I won't lie to you, it's still not enough. It's just a confirmation that, okay, the market is gearing up for a sell trend. So I would, before I enter this market, last confirmation I want us to check out of the list is we have to break out of this. Once we break below here, let me show you. Once we break below here, once we break below here, yes, then I'll be looking at shorting this market. TP1 below here, then TP2 here. So that is it, guys, and that's all you need to know concerning ERUSD this moment.